Welcome. In this video I will show you how to adjust picture settings on your Philips 32PFS6939 TV. First of all, press the gear button on your remote control to open the quick settings menu. Go to all settings and then select the picture menu here. In this menu you'll be able to select picture style by selecting the first option and then switching the picture styles in this menu. To select one, just click OK, and if you have an HDR supported device connected to your TV, you will also see HDR options in here. So for example, if I switch to my PS5 which supports HDR, and I go to the same settings menu, so all settings, then picture, as you can see, will also have options like HDR monitor, HDR game, or HDR movie, or even HDR echo mode. Now, however, the HDR options support limited settings, except for HDR Personal and some other available options. So I'm gonna select HDR Personal to show you the full list of settings. So here we have the contrast in the same picture menu, where we can adjust the brightness, the dark details. So in the brightness section we can enable or disable ambient level optimization, backlight contrast. We can switch the contrast mode. We can adjust the video level, as you can see, to make it basically more or less bright. Now we have dark details here, where we can adjust gamma and black level. We have HDR control, using which we can adjust the HDR settings, changing from more brightness to more details. And for some devices we can also enable or adjust the HLG effect. Okay, so in color we can basically adjust the colors to our needs, so we can change the color saturation in this menu. We can adjust color enhancement. We can change the color temperature manually, adjusting the warm point, and also manually adjusting each color using 2 white point alignment. In sharpness menu we can adjust the sharpness of the images, and in picture noise we can enable or disable or adjust noise and artifact reduction. And if you want to reset your picture settings, select restore picture style. However, the quick picture settings option is the option to basically calibrate your image that you see on the screen using your preferences. So basically, if you want to perform a quick calibration of your screen, just select this option, then go to start, and then make choices which you like the most. So here we have the backlight contrast. Just select the picture that you like the most, the effect that you like the most in here. So either less contrast, or medium, or more contrast. Then the color, pretty much the same. Then the sharpness, and then finish to finish the calibration. And that's how we do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.